Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about do I have diabetes and know the warning signs. So if you like the video related to my health, I would like to request you all please do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we go. Let's begin. Diabetes is a serious yet common medical condition. If you have diabetes, you need to manage your blood sugar and regularly monitor them to be sure they are within their target range. There are a few types of diabetes, though the main two types are type 1 and type 2 diabetes. They differ based on what causes them. You may have certain symptoms of diabetes, or a diagnosis may surprise you because the symptoms have been gradual over many months or years. Now I'll be talking about the warning and signs of diabetes. Diabetes symptoms may occur over time or they may appear quickly. The various types of diabetes may have similar or different warning signs. Some general warning signs of diabetes are extreme thirst, dry mouth, frequent urination, hunger, fatigue, irritable behavior, blurred vision, wounds that don't heal quickly, skin that itches or is dry, yeast infection. Other warning signs of type 1. Type 1 diabetes is generally diagnosed in children and young adults, though it can occur at any age. A child may experience these additional symptoms: sudden and intentional weight loss, wetting the bed after a history of being dry at night, a yeast infection in a pre-pubescent girl, flu-like symptoms including nausea, vomiting, breath that smell like fruit problems, breathing, and loss of consciousness. Flu-like symptoms are caused when undiagnosed diabetes causes ketones to build up in the bloodstream. This condition is called diabetic ketoacidosis. DKL, that is the diabetic ketoacidosis, is a medical emergency and requires immediate medical treatment. Now, the other warning signs of type 2. You may not notice sudden symptoms of type 2 diabetes, but the warning signs listed above may alert you to an underlying condition. You may be diagnosed with diabetes because you go to the doctor for persistent infections or a slow healing wound. Complications that are associated with prolonged high blood sugar levels, such as numbness or tingling in your feet, heart problem. You may never experience obvious warning signs at all. Diabetes can develop over the course of many years and the warning signs may be subtle. Now, who is at risk for diabetes? Diabetes can occur at any time. There are certain risk factors for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. This is not an exhaustive list, and even adult can end up with type 1 diabetes, though it is infrequent. Type who is at risk. Type 1, children, young adult, those with an immediate relative with type 1 diabetes. Type 2, those over age 45, those who are overweight, those who are inactive, those who smoke, those who have a family history of diabetes, those who have high blood pressure, those who have abnormal triglyceride or HDL cholesterol level, those of certain ethnicities, those with a history of insulin resistance. Now I'll be talking about the diagnosis. You may experience one or more of the warning signs associated with diabetes. If you do, contact your doctor for an appointment. You may also discover a diabetes diagnosis after visiting the doctor for another condition or for routine blood work. If you suspect you may have diabetes, make an appointment with your doctor. They will want to know your symptoms, family history, medication, allergies. You should also have a list of questions to ask your doctor regarding your warning sign or the condition itself. Your doctor will ask you questions about your symptom and may decide to run some tests. There are several tests to diagnose diabetes. A1C. This test shows what your blood glucose level has averaged for the last 2 or 3 months. This does not require you to fast or drink anything. Fasting plasma glucose, you will need to fast for at least 8 hours before this test. Oral glucose tolerance. This test takes 2 to 3 hours. Your blood glucose level are tested initially and then repeated at intervals for 2 hours after consuming a specific sweet drink. Random plasma glucose test. You can have this test anytime and do not need to be fasting. Now I'll be talking about the treatment. Diabetes can be treated in several ways. Diet, physical activity, and careful monitoring are important if you have diabetes, no matter which type of diabetes you have. If you have type 1 diabetes, you will need to take insulin for the rest of your life. That's because your body does not produce insulin. If you have type 2 diabetes, it may be possible to control your condition with lifestyle changes such as diet and exercise. You may also need to take oral or injectable medication, including insulin or metformin, to manage your blood sugar level. If you have diabetes, you will need to carefully track your diet to prevent blood sugar level from getting too high. This generally means watching carbohydrate intake as well as limiting over processed low fiber food. Your doctor will work with you to develop a treatment plan to help you control your blood sugar level. Now, the outlook. Talk to your doctor if you believe you have diabetes. Getting on top of your condition and managing it effectively is key to controlling your symptom and preventing more serious health problems. If you have type 1 diabetes, you all need to manage your glucose level by matching your insulin to your diet and activity. If you have type 2 diabetes, you manage your blood sugar with diet and activity alone, or add medication as needed. Diabetes is a progressive disease that may require re-evaluation and change in the treatment plan over time. Now I'll be talking about the prevention. Diabetes may not be prevented in all cases. Type 1 diabetes cannot be prevented. You may be able to reduce your chances for developing type 2 diabetes by managing your diet and staying active. However, genetic and other risk factors may increase your risk despite your best effort. Even if you have a diagnosis of diabetes, you can live a full life. Diabetes requires careful planning and management, but it should not prevent you from engaging in and enjoying everyday activities. So that's all about the diabetes in this video. I hope you all liked it. For all of you, I prepared a small presentation that will be going to share in the description box below. You can check it out from there. So before signing off, I would like to request you all, please do like, share, subscribe this video with your loved ones so that they will get to know better. So this is Carrie Nelson signing off. Please do take care of your health. Goodbye. Take care. We will definitely meet you in the next video with my other content. Till then, take care of yourself. God bless you. Bye bye.